number 10 amanxeba le
Amanxeba andimazi nomazi kanye good notes abhale naye yakhe top 10
awufuni nke amanxeba
mthanda umculo mamele yenza gospel zakudala
benguGucci ne
uGucci into laweka mahuna leya ba zilenza ngo-2024 ezo
hayibo but it was a hit na ku-2025 nje
okay
then undime endinguye uzuko
ethile ngoba besiculitha isidala yakhe
balimfaki
musano koyikiswa ngongendawo
akanawa amandla kuni aninikiwe amandla okudala kuvuleka ingcango. That's the song.
Ndibonile khali naye emotweni ngiyela mfana ukuphuza naye
hayibo
okay sorry
sofuna uqala eroom
hayi Brian uzuku uyandazi
then bengu-Elia number 8
Elia i-gospel song
it's I think I'm yeah kind of and yes man I listen to a lot of different things in like
okay
then bengudeda look I say something so it dead yeah
ngeke ngibone iphuma
okay
bazande mama
deda ke then number 6 so babize bonke
babize bonke okay
dabela mlikhona that one lezi zikhukhula zihamba nezimboka
yabo kamyeke
number 5 nguDiqabanga umlivele kuyakho playlist
uDiqabanga waphuma ngo-2024
but it was still a hit last year
kaloku mna ndibale eziphume last year
okay
yo natswana egana
ayeke
ukulinda ikhalisa lamula ngoma tasipha
yazi la kanti yazi
malume barisile
ayeke yemtshana
kifetukhile yo otatishwa nguna Yesu
okay
utukhile yo malume bawuthwani
achuti okay then number 4 ngumoya
Kisumoya
yeah
sengele
number 3